Hey guys, we're here with Dell at CES 2024, and we're going to be checking out a lot of things, including this brand new gaming monitor. So right now we're checking out the new Alienware 32-inch 4K gaming monitor. I really love the Alienware 34-inch, but this one seems like it's more for me. It's smaller, the curve isn't as aggressive. I don't have to sit too far back from the screen to really enjoy and take in the graphics. And I think with 4K, 32 inches is just about that sweet spot where it's not too big or small. But on top of that, you also get the awesome performance, which I really enjoy. 0.03 millisecond response time and 240 hertz. So it's QD-OLED, just like the Alienware 34. And because of that, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Like, all the colors are vibrant, it's nice and bright. The curvature is 1700R, which is not too aggressive. It's really nice. As far as positioning goes, you could slide it down, slide it up pretty easily, tilt it up. And if you need to, the ports are in the back here, which is really nice placement. You're gonna have to turn the monitor around. And also you have the legs here. I feel that they don't take up too much space on the desk, which is nice. And I know that some PC guys like to have their keyboard like this, so you could easily do that, not a problem there. And as you could tell, it's just really elegant. And I also love, I want to bring this up. I like the fact that there's nothing around the bezels. It's just pure black that allows you to just focus on your game. But I also like how it's not too vibrant, like the colors, everything just seems just about right. Nothing's overblown. And another thing that's really cool about this monitor is you can actually hook up your gaming consoles and your PC to it simultaneously. It has two HDMI ports, two HDMI 2.1. So this monitor is 16:9, which is the aspect ratio that most video games are made for, which means that, you know, it doesn't matter if it's your PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, your games are going to look fantastic. But obviously, because of the HDMI 2.1, if some of those games run 120 hertz, you can take advantage of that. So you'll have everything just looking super silky smooth. Not every game does that, but for the few games that do, this monitor will take care of that. All right, guys, so that's the brand new Alienware 32-inch gaming monitor. I'm super stoked for it. I love the 34-inch monitor, but this one is more up my alley. Okay, that was awesome, but I want to hear what you guys have to say. So make sure you comment down below. And for more of our CES coverage, make sure you check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Once again, I was Tony Polanco, and I'll see you next time. Later.